Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust the display of your barometric pressure on your Nixon Regulus Expedition watch. So what exactly am I talking about? This watch has a built-in barometer and you have two different values you can choose your barometric to show your barometric pressure. You can either show it in hectopascals or inches of mercury. So first and foremost, you got to figure out what do you have it currently set to. We could go into our settings and look at it, or we could just go into our barometer and we could look at it as well. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to do it by going into my barometer. So there's three buttons we're going to use for this setting. You've got your mode and your select button. It's the bottom button on the left-hand side. And then you've got your up or down button that all we're really going to be using that for is just to adjust our toggle options. So first, let's go into our camp mode. Camp mode is going to show us the current temperature, the barometric pressure, and any kind of weather alerts. So I'm going to do that by pressing the bottom left button, and then I'm going to go on down with the down button and choose camp by again pressing the mode button. You'll see it tells you for an accurate temperature reading you need to have the watch off of your wrist. The wrist heat can skew the temperature a little bit. That's pretty common with most watches that have a thermometer or barometer. It's showing me my current altitude. I'm just going to confirm that, and you can see in the camp mode my barometric pressure is 1013 HPA, which is hectopascals. Well, what if I don't want that? What if I want it in inches of mercury? I tend to try and choose this value based on whatever weather app you use on your cell phone. So if you're using a weather app that shows inches of mercury, change this value to inches of mercury. If you're using one that shows hectopascals, change it to this. And the reason I do that is because I can look at my watch and see how accurate is it compared to my smartphone weather app. So if we want to change this, it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is we're going to press the mode button. We can do this from any watch face we want to. We're going to press mode, and then we're going to use the down button to go to settings. Again, we're going to press mode to select settings, and then we're going to press the down button to go to units, press mode to select units. And the second option in here is pressure. If I go to pressure, now press the mode button to select it, it gives me some toggle options. I can do inches of mercury, or I can leave it in hectopascals. Those are your only two options. I'm going to change mine to inches of mercury. Once you've got it set the way you want, you can simply press the mode button. You can leave it alone. The watch will automatically go back to the previous screen after 10 seconds. You can press and hold the mode button. That will take you all the way back to whatever mode you were in. So it's taken me back to my camp mode, and we can see that the barometric pressure is now being displayed in inches of mercury versus hectopascals.